Okay, so in this video we will learn, this is actually tips number 21. So in this module we will learn how to write effective prompt using comparisons. So whenever you are asking something to ChatGPT or any other artificial tool, so that time you need to provide some comparison. Compare with this to that. Compare this to software. Compare this to statement. Compare this to application. Compare this to decision. Suppose one customer providing user one feedback and another customer is providing another feedback. So compare this feedback, who is telling positive, who is telling negative, and all those things. So you need to use the comparison so that you can get the better version of your prompt. Okay, so here is the example. The example is, suppose you are asking ChatGPT that explain machine learning. It's a very broad and it's a very broad question you are asking to ChatGPT. So what you will do, you will get a broad answer. And as I told you that it is good for experience purpose, it is good for idea purpose, it is good, but it is not ready to use. So you can't use it for your reading purpose, for your knowledge purpose. You can ask the broad questions. Okay, so now I will customize it. How I will customize compare supervised and unsupervised machine learning. So there are two programs, I think. I don't know more about machine learning. So here I am telling ChatGPT, you compare the things, supervised and unsupervised machine learning, highlighting key difference and use cases for each. So I am telling ChatGPT, you compare. Suppose two modules are there, so you tell ChatGPT, you compare this, the basic plan and the premium plan. You compare those things and then provide me a highlight. What are the key difference from basic to advanced, from basic to premium? What are the difference? So you then you explain me. Okay, so again you can modify it. Then give me the highlights based on my requirement is this. My requirement is, suppose basic for basic any plan that is basic plan, suppose 10,000 rupees, or other one plan is suppose 20,000 rupees. So you are telling ChatGPT, compare these things. What are the things I am getting extra for the premium plan or the advanced plan? And my recommendation is, suppose it's a video creating software. So suppose your objective is you want to create videos for Instagram reel. So then you are providing, my expectation is to create Instagram reel. So how, keep in that mind that my expectation is creating Instagram reel per day, 10 reels. So based on that, how I will get the benefit from that premium version or the advanced version. Okay, so in that case you need to use the comparison. So what you can tell, compare supervised and unsupervised machine learning, highlighting key difference. What are the difference? You need to highlight it and use cases for each. Okay, you are again, the second example is describe electric cars. So it's again, you are providing a general, you are asking a general question, you are asking a broad question, so it will provide a broad answer. Okay, but now you are telling ChatGPT, compare the benefits and challenges of electric cars versus traditional gasoline powered cars. So you want to compare electric cars and traditional gasoline cars, but what the output you want the benefit and challenges. So both the things, for electric car also, for the gasoline car also, you want the benefits and challenges. Okay, again the example number 3 is write about diets. So you are asking ChatGPT, write about diets. It's a generic question you are asking, so you will get the generic answer. But if you ask, compare the ketogenic diet and the Mediterranean diet. So there are two diet you are comparing. Compare the ketogenic diet and the Mediterranean. Sorry for that if I pronounce it wrong. Mediterranean. Okay. So I don't know whether I pronounce it right or wrong, so please excuse me. So there are two diets. I think you understood the concept. So I want to compare these two diet, including, keep in mind that including their health benefits and potential drawbacks. So I want the output. First you compare these two diet, and then I need some output. What kind of output I want? I want the health benefits and potential drawbacks. This output I want. After comparing this two diet, you give me the which one is best, based on this my requirement, health benefits and potential drawbacks. Okay, let me check. So let me go to this machine learning we have explained already earlier. So let me go to electric cars. Here it is. Let me discuss electric cars. So it will provide me a generic answer. It will provide me a broad answer about electric car, everything about electric car. So what it is saying: environmental impact, changing infrastructure, cost, range, performance, maintenance, future trends, and all the information it has given. But I don't want all of the broad answer. I need a specific answer. That is my objective, that is my goal. I want to buy a car, so I just want to know which car is better. It's a gasoline car or the electric car. Okay, and I have some object. Okay, I have some object. Okay, so let me check. So it will provide me the all the details. See here it is comparing electric cars. The benefit is environmental impact, lower operating cost, performance, incentives, energy energy efficiency. Challenges: range anxiety, charging time, then upfront cost, battery life and replacement, charging infrastructure, all these things. And now coming to the traditional gasoline car, refueling convenience, initial cost, long range driving, established technology. What kind of challenges you might face: environmental impact, higher operating cost, fuel efficiency, maintenance, regulation, regulations and trends, all the details. So I think you have got the pretty clear idea about the electric car and the gasoline car. So now you can take the decision that which car you should take. Okay, so you have compared everything. Okay, let me go to the another example. Suppose I am asking write about diets. I did not specify the A. Okay, let me check. Write about diets. It will provide me a broad answer. Low carb diet, features, pros, cons. Low fat diets, features, pros, cons. Mediterranean diet, features, pros, cons, and all the details it has given. Okay, but I want all the details it has given. Intermediate fasting, paleo diet, and all the detailed information it has provided. Flexible dieting and all the details it has given me. But I don't need it as of now. I need to compare only two diet, because I don't want to become overwhelmed. I want to be specific. I have selected already the ketogenic diet and the Mediterranean diet. I have already selected it. So I want to compare these two diets only, and my goal is healthy benefits. My goal is to become healthy and potential drawbacks. Potential. So let me check how it responds. So it will compare only the two things, two diet it will compare. It will not provide me any other diet. So ketogenic diet, here is the overview, healthy benefits. Ketogenic diet overview, healthy benefits. weight loss, blood sugar control, and all these things. Then the potential drawbacks, it is mentioned. Now the Mediterranean diet, here is the overview, here is the health benefit, here is the drawbacks, all the details information it is given. Comparison, diet composition, keto is this, Mediterranean this, health goal, keto is this. So it has compared everything. So first it has provided the overview of both of the diet, and now it has compared which one you should use. All the details it has provided, comparison is there. So I think it's pretty clear to you that how you can take the how you to use that prompt, how to use that compare scenarios, that use comparisons. Compare, you need to compare those. Suppose you have selected two things, three things, or four things you have selected, and now you are very confused about the thing which one is better. You are unable to understand. So in that case you can use the keyword, use comparison. You can use compare these two things based on my desired goal. It will provide you the better response. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you, the concept is pretty clear to you. So again I would say create your own create your own example and you practice, you will get the best version of your prompt. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.